Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a very an unboxing to do for you. This is a slow juicer. I've been wanting to buy a slow juicer for a very long time now, and finally I was able to afford and purchase one. So I'll be doing the unboxing right now, and I'll be testing it as well, so make sure you stay tuned. I'll be showing you guys how I use it and or how it's being used. So I'll be using tiger nut. I'm going to test it with tiger nut, so just stay tuned if you want to see how I use this juicer. So the juicer I'm talking about is the Ugasun. Wow, it's massive. It's massive. Can you see that clearly? So let's quickly unbox this and see what is inside. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, let's unbox the Ugasun slow juicer. So this is what this is what you see when you open the box. The first thing you see is the manual. Comes with the instruction manual. So this basically tells you how to read how to use it and how to set it up. Okay, just set this aside and see what else is in the box. So this particular one comes with 3 filters. This is for, I think this is for, what's this one for again? If you want to make ice cream, you can make ice cream with this one. And this is the one, this is the juicer for the juice. If you want to make juice, or some people use it to make pounded, what's it called? Yeah, pounded yam. I don't eat pounded yam, so I'm not going to try that. I'm going to try it with ice cream and see. And this is the juicer. Okay, let's just bring it out and set the box aside so we can have space. Wow, it's heavy. It's heavy. Ooh, this is heavy, guys. What? It's heavy. So this is just inside of it. It comes with a brush. It comes with a brush for washing. So that's all we have inside the box. So let's just set the box aside. So it has 3 different colors. It has black, gray, and red. So I went for the black one. This is it. This is how it looks. This is 150 watts. I hope it serves me well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you have this, how is it working for you? Is it value for money? And this one is for smoothie. Yeah, this one is for smoothie. A particular one. And this is the, has this been used? What's this? Okay, no. Caution, please align arrow with the arrow on the top of the machine. Okay, we set this up in a bit, and it comes with this is the, I guess this is the one for the, what's it called? Okay, for here to cover this place. Where is that thing? I'll figure it out later. And it comes with this cup and this one. I think one is for the chaff, while the other one takes the juice. So I'll quickly set it up. Like I said, I'll be trying out tiger nuts with it, and I'll quickly go through the manual, then set it up. and I'll be trying tiger nuts with it next. Okay, this is the arrow, so you have to follow the arrow whenever you're inserting this in. Guys, I don't know how to fix this. I'll have to go through the manual to figure this one out. Let me not go and spoil something here. Okay, I'll set it up. Next video you'll be seeing is me testing it out and using it. So let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have this juicer, how is it? Is it value for money? I got it for 100,000 naira. So here's how to fix. Just look at the hose, like the hose it has there, and same thing here. Just fix it in that direction. So this one goes like this. Yeah, this one goes like this. Then the next thing, depending on what you want to do, you can choose either of the 3 filters it came with. Then this one, also look at there's another hole here where this one goes. It goes in like this. Yeah, that's it. And then guys, this is quite heavy, and this one goes in here. We have to fix it and make sure that this is well. Yeah, then if you want to bring it out, just turn it and just turn it like this and bring it out. Same thing, just fix it. Yeah, it's in now. Then this one goes here. Now we're gonna use this one for the chaff because I believe the chaff will not be much. Then this goes here. This is for the juice parts. Yeah, I think this one goes in next. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's a hole here where this thing goes out. Voila! I've been able to set it up. So let's go test it out. So let's quickly go test it out. Okay. So guys, this is the slow juicer, and what I did was to blend I have another one here. What I did was to blend I used the blender to blend the tiger nuts. Then after blending it, I'm not using this juicer to juice it out. It's going so well. It's going well so far. No issues at all. This is what I've juiced out so far. And this is the chaff. Like, it's so dry. It's so dry. Each time I make tiger nuts, I usually use cheesecloths to sieve it. And even with that, you still have some little juice inside, but look at this one. It's so dry, like, guys, I'm loving this. So guys, if you've watched up to this point, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section if you have this Ugasun juicer. How is it for you? Is it value for money? Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video. So this is it here. So let's take this one. I have to do it gently because this cup is almost full. Ooh. Alright guys, bye guys.